To keep symbol panel after long pressing the period key open in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management and then tap Samsung keyboard setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap swipe thoughts and feedback. And then tap the gray on off switch next to keep symbol panel open to enable this option. The switch turns blue when it's on. To see the result, open an app where you can type with your Samsung keyboard. Now long press the period key to open up the symbol panel. Tap a symbol you like to use. You can see that the panel stays open after a symbol is selected. This will let you to type more than one symbol at a time. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.